Welcome to CSE Guru. In this session, we will discuss how to write a C program to reverse a number. So first, we have to include header file, main function, and within this main function, we are going to declare three variables. First, we have to enter a number, and to reverse the given number, we are going to use two variables. One is reverse, that will store the final result, and reminder. Okay, so here we have to declare three variables: n, reverse, and reminder. Okay, next we have to enter the number which we need to reverse. So next, printf enter a number. Okay, and that number we are storing with n variable. So using the scanf statement, format specifier is %d. Since it is integer, ampersand n, and now we will accept that number. In three steps, we are going to reverse the given number. So first step is, for the given number, we will find the reminder, and that will be stored with the variable reminder. Initially, reverse value, we are assigning it as 0. Then implement reverse equal to reverse into 10 minus reminder. Then find the n value. N is equal to n by 10. Okay. These three steps is the main logic of the C code. So here, check the condition while n not equal to 0. So n should not be 0. If n value is 0, in the sense, no need to reverse. Okay. So if n value is not 0, in the sense, we are going to implement three steps. So first step is, find the remainder of the given number. Find n modulus 10, and that remainder store with the variable rem. Okay, and next, reverse equal to, initially the reverse value was 0, we have assigned here. So reverse into 10, okay, minus this reminder, what we have found in the previous step, that reminder we have to subtract from this. Okay, and the next, n value we have to implement like n divided by 10. Okay, so these three steps, it will be implemented within the loop until n value not equal to 0. Suppose if n value is 0, in the sense, automatically the loop will exit. Okay, so after this, we are going to print the reversed number. Okay, so reversed number is %d. What is that number? The number will be stored with REB. Okay, then use a simple return statement. So if we are considering here while loop, and within this while loop, these three statements is the main logic. Okay, so now run the code. So here this /n we have to give within double quotes. Okay, what is the next error? Enter a number. So this one only. So we have corrected the error. Now again run the code. So n/, this is not a division operator, this is the division operator. Okay, next. Now our program is free from errors. Now enter a number. For example, I will enter 5421. Okay, what is this reversed number we need to get? That is 1245. So here we are getting a reversed number -1245. But reversing is correct. Only we are getting the negative value. Okay, just here change the logic plus reminder. Okay, actually reverse into 10 plus reminder. Okay, so now run the C code. Enter a number 6574. So we have to get 4756. Right, 4756. See here. So logic mistake. Here we have made minus instead of plus. Okay, see here. We are getting reversed number 4756. Again, if we are running the code, I'll write some 6-digit number 783426. Okay, so we have to get the reversed number is 624387. See here, exactly we are getting. And what is the logic of this while loop? We will check it out now. So first we have to enter a number. So the number we will consider it as 2347. Okay. So while loop, if we are considering in the sense, it is a iterative statement. Okay. So here first we will consider first iteration. In first iteration, check the condition while n value is 2, 3, 4, 7 not equal to 0, condition is true and it will enter into the while loop. And here it will check remainder is equal to n modulus 10. So 2, 3, 4, 7 modulus 10. In the sense, what we will get here? The remainder is 7 we will get it. And reverse is equal to initial reverse value is 0. So 0 into 10 plus remainder is 7. So what we will get here? Reverse value is 7 now. Then n is equal to n divided by 10, that is 2, 3, 4, 7 divided by 10 in the sense only quotient we have to get it, that is 2, 3, 4 we will get it. So this is first iteration value. Consider second iteration. Okay. While n not equal to 0. What is the updated value of n in the previous iteration? N value is 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4 not equal to 0. Condition is true. And inside we have to consider remainder is equal to 2, 3, 4 modulus 10. So here we will get remainder is 4 and reverse is equal to previous reverse value is 7. So 7 into 10 plus remainder value is 4. So here we will get it as 70 plus 4, we will get it as 74. And n value is 2, 3, 4 divided by 10. So we will get 2, 3 now. Okay, similarly, third iteration we have to implement. Check the condition while n value previous iteration value was 2, 3 not equal to 0, condition is true and remainder is equal to 2, 3 modulus 10, remainder here we will get it as 3 and reverse is equal to previous reverse value is 74 into 10 plus remainder is 3. So 740 plus 3, 743 we will get it. And n is equal to n by 10. N value is 2, 3 divided by 10. In the sense, here we will get it as 2. Now we will go to fourth iteration. So fourth iteration, n value is 2 not equal to 0. Condition is true. And here we will get remainder is equal to 2 modulus 10. So when the numerator value is lesser than the denominator value, in the sense numerator itself is a remainder. So remainder is 2. And reverse is equal to previous iteration reverse value is 743 into 10 plus remainder value is 2. So here we will get it as 7432. Okay. And n is equal to n divided by 10. N value is 2. So 2 divided by 10 in the sense when numerator is less than denominator, in the sense this division operator will return 0 as the result. So here we will get it as 0. So next iteration, if you are implementing for while loop, n value 0 not equal to 0, condition fails, it will exit. And what is the result stored with the variable reverse, in the sense 7432, and it will print the output as 7432. Entered value is 2347 and we will get result as 7432. And this is the logic of reversing the given number. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.